Sorry, I'm like, I had to walk up 4 flights of stairs. Thought I was gonna have a heart attack like that.
Four? Well, but see, the problem is back in the day, we could run up those stairs.
I probably still could, but I get to the top and I'd be breathing heavier than I was.
Yeah, the elevators are down. They did have an elevator attendant in the elevator.
Oh, yeah?
Is he gone now?
I don't know. The doors never open.
Oh, well, it was his job to make sure that the doors would open. Hello.
Hello, I
I don't think
walked
you
all
did a
the
very
way
good
up
job
here.
of
When I
this.
heard you talking about that, I wanted to talk about it.
Okay.
I-
Yeah, we have an.
I don't have to
elevator
do my
attendant.
walking tonight. I just did it 4 flights up the stairs.
Oh, wow. And I think there's an extra floor. So it's really more than 4 flights.
You know, you're exactly right. Between the first floor and the second floor, that's 2 floors.
Yes.
And I started,
started in the basement, so it's 5.5.
I started in the basement too, because you press the button and when the button doesn't stay lit,
Well,
you
you
know
know how-
something's wrong.
You know how now on social media, people will take pictures of their food as though if they don't have a photo of it, it didn't happen. So unless you all have video of you going up the stairs, do we really know that it happened?
Here I am with my tongue is hanging out, Joe.
Falling in the floor.
Oh. See, if we were on vacation, nobody would mind walking up the stairs. It would be interesting and fun, things to see.
Yeah, what I did on my vacation Monday morning.
Maybe they should start putting plants or paintings up the stairs and that'll make it interesting. So you won't even notice that you're walking up. Yes, I did.
See, I noticed little things. See?
Yes,
Most
we're
men-
working.
After many years of being a man, I've learned how to notice little things.
Oh, you have to notice it. You have to. So are you going back to New Orleans anytime soon?
My next trip is Iceland.
When are you going?
October.
Oh,
We generally go to New Orleans.
yeah.
Yeah, we're not.
Well, what parts of Iceland?
Oh, no, it's pretty small.
Oh, there he is.
On the Golden Circle.
I don't know what's happening.
It's all over.
What's happening?
I watched, I love watching HGTV, especially House Hunters International. And so they showed someone actually moving to Iceland and, for employment. And then they do a Where Are They Now, which I love the Where Are They Now because they bought a home, I think it was either Australia or New Zealand, and there they have some sort of auction. A house is on the market. It may have changed now. Maybe their market is not as hot as it was then. But you would just have a group of people, like if you were selling your home, a group of people would come and they just open the bids.
Maybe we'll do that.
Yeah.
I know there was something about it. I mean.
But it's kind of like. The coverage for Laura and I told her we had got like 9 other cases today. I don't know how many. But if you want to look at it on that.
Those cases.
I gotta run.
Somebody else is gonna get us one today?
Yeah. But Norma, it does show that Kelly Green is on the motion to revoke.
Yep, and then John wrote that letter like 2 days later.
So that shouldn't be on the docket.
I think Kelly Green's bondsman.
Yeah. I think that's what-
Yeah, she does the bail bonds for me.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
And that's be on it in order.
All right. Well, if you have information to impart to Mr. DeLeon, please feel free to do so. Mhm.
What are you on?
I got punished.
Hey, if you all were in jury trial together, you all are sort of matching with your suits. We could probably go to jury trial today.
Why not?
You know, it's,
Sure,
it's
let's do it.
coordinating very nicely.
Yeah, I do think I have a tie like that. I can probably have it couriered over and he'll be black, I'll be white.
There you go.
You do the military part of the trial. I'll do the civilian.
What do you have?
Apparently I got assigned to Leon Small.
Oh,
Yeah.
you have now.
Yes.
I'm off of the pre-op.
That's what I hear.
Yes.
Do you have any knowledge about these new cases that I need to know about? Or-
Not a damn thing.
Okay, then that's all I need to know.
I think you all are interfering with Ms. Cutter's ability to reach where she needs to
Oh
reach.
dear. Well, let us get out of the way. But can I get Mr. Small in front of the judge? That's Christopher.
No, I do not. Christopher Herrera,
Present, Your Honor.
if you'll come down, sir.
Hello.
Norma, the small case may have been filed away because, you know, we did the motion to withdraw and maybe it was put in a separate file. All right. So, Mr. Herrera, last time you hit your head, how are you doing?
I'm better now. I suffered a small concussion, but I mean, I think I'll be okay.
So did you fall from the step and went down?
No, there was like some type of metal object underneath the butts of the seats
Mhm.
that I was in. And my leg irons, the chain got wrapped around it after my glasses had fell. And amongst trying to retrieve them, it's as if the seat pulled it out from underneath me. And at the time, my handcuffs were behind me. So like, I don't think I had to brace my falls, my face. Yeah.
All right. So the CPS records, my understanding, were in the file. So where are we?
Judge,
Has discovery been completed?
it is not. There is still a video, the child safe type video that I still need to view. And I've been given a copy of the CPS records. I need to review those as well.
All right. So the only thing outstanding is the review of the video.
Yes, ma'am.
So all discovery that's taken care of.
Good to go.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson, on this case, we're going to set it for 30 days. And I know we had a previous plea deadline date because an offer had been tendered, but then there was discovered that the CPS records were not in. So this date I'm going to give you is going to be your final plea deadline date, and is the offer still the same?
As of right now, Your Honor, yes, counsel and I have talked, but as of today, the offer is still the same.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset on Christopher Herrera. All right, your plea deadline date will be August 13th. Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, so we'll bring you back on August 13th. At that time, you'll have to let the court know whether you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next date is going to be a jury trial date. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're on.
All right, watch your step.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be back in here. I'll be back in here. I'll be over here.
Leon Small.
Present, Your Honor.
All right, and who is the state on Small?
Yeah. I just got a.
Sure. All right, so you've just been appointed, however, state the unindicted cases. Where are we on that?
I would need to double check on those, Judge. I haven't seen it just yet, but I can right now.
Okay, because he has he has a manufacturing delivery 4 to 200 grams, felon in possession of a firearm, and possession of a machine gun that hasn't been indicted yet.
I can take a look right now, Judge. see
All
what
right,
time
thank
it is.
you. And then there's a case where it says pending with the magistrate. FTA use illegal. I don't know what that means.
I have no idea.
It's a 2024 PF 04474 case.
Sorry, let me roll my eyes more. Lord.
So I don't know if that's something new that Odyssey is doing and what that's about. So what is the FTA use illegal? That doesn't give anybody notice or anything.
I asked about that.
All right, so Mr. DeLeon, I'm going to give you this number.
Okay. Looks like we need it pointed to all your cases. Okay. So I'll figure out what's going on.
Right. So this is the number. I have no idea what that means, but it says pending magistrate. So,
That's.
04? 474.
Yeah, it's
Mhm.
always the type of large cases that are assigned to Judge Nahara.
all right. So that's Judge Nahara.
And it's basically, they're not assigned to a court yet until they figure out that he is a pending NPR, then they'll push over to the 187.
Okay. Well, what are they trying to say the PF stands for? That's what I would like to know.
Pre-file.
Thank you. Yeah,
Don't need much, Judge.
well, but you know what? I always,
Mm.
I always tell people, if you want to know something, ask. Otherwise, you'll never know. Now I know that the PF is for pre-file. I think all that's gonna cause a bunch of confusion.
What?
I don't think that's gonna get transferred to a CR number. We're gonna see how it works.
Odyssey, Judge, because it is an odyssey in learning how to figure it.
I tell you what, I'm not gonna put that into the universe. It's gonna go smoothly. So I am gonna give you another court date, and Mr. Small,
That's right.
this is your attorney. If you decide at some point to hire an attorney, if it's set for trial, that attorney needs to be ready for trial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, if I can get that same date of August. What's it? 16th? August 13th,
All right. Norma,
the ideal.
you're gonna put it on August 13th, and if you'll check with the state to see when they anticipate taking these other cases to the grand jury.
I'll check with Daniel, yes.
So August 13th, council will be your discovery date.
All right.
And also state on that date, you need to be prepared to tender an offer to Mr. DeLeon. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
Is there anything else, Mr. Small?
No, ma'am.
All right, and you have stars. Michael is a Cowboys fan. I know that's not cowboy related, but there you go. See, connections are I'm bringing people
Close
together,
enough.
Michael.
That sounds good. All right, Judge, thank you.
All right, thanks.
I'll be back in
Thank you.
touch with
Thank
you
you.
with a video call more than likely, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Who's here on Joshua Tez?
Oh.
All right, are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, sure.
All right, court is, oh, and who is this behind you?
This is one of my law clerks, Miguel. Is that okay if he stands up here with us?
Oh, sure.
He said
Miguel, what's your name?
Miguel Esparza,
All right, so what are you doing? Are you in school, law school?
same age,
Oh, what year?
second year now.
Oh, well, your law school days are almost over.
Yeah, I'm,
After that, it's very quick. So do you want to practice criminal law?
yeah,
Oh, hey, well,
I get
you're
the
always,
opportunity to come and watch and
well, you're always welcome to come to the 187th anytime. And don't be shy, talk to the attorneys. You will find that on the criminal side, no shade to civil attorneys, but on the criminal side, they're always willing to help you. All right, court is calling 2020 CR 2266B, State of Texas versus Joshua Michael Tez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense,
Lee Cutter for Mr. Tellez, Your Honor.
and what's your name?
Miguel Esparza, Your Honor.
All right, and just for the record, Miguel Esparza is a law student at St. Mary's. So this is, I believe this may be his first time on the record. Is that correct?
That's the second time I saw.
The second
Yeah.
time on the record. Okay.
He was here with me the last time. actually.
Ah, yes, okay. All right, Mr. Tejas, you're Mr. Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Joshua Michael Tejas who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 2266B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on November 9, 2020 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 41 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Joshua Michael Tellers, the detonator failed to attend and provide verification of attending 90 Narcotics Anonymous meetings in 90 days from September 27th, 2021 through August 31st, 2022, in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, I didn't hear what you were asking me before. This, oh, sorry.
I did complete the 90 days and 90 meetings.
So is your answer true or not true?
Oh, I get not true.
Okay.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the first day of October 2021 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Joshua Michael Tellers, the detonator consumed alcoholic beverages in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
I won't waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Can we have just one second?
Sure.
I'm sorry, that's an alarm.
Okay, is it an alarm, like don't plead true?
I was like, I don't know if. Okay, then sure. ma'am.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Did you understand? If you have an agreement, you think with the state, court does not have to follow that agreement. This is the contract with the court, not with your attorneys in the state. Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2, to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to deny the motion and extend the individual honors for 3 years with weekly weekly reporting for 90 days and also random UAs for 90 days, Your Honor.
Is that what you're requesting?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so why should I do this?
Your Honor, this is a very old case and he's completed his 90 narcotics in 90 days. He's completed outpatient treatment. You did have him on 6 drug tests a month at random with a daily call-in for quite a bit of time, and he only missed 3 call-ins that whole time. Yes, he missed 3, but that's it. He did obtain his high school diploma. He works for a government contractor. And he also works for Spectrum. He's really done well with all of the treatments he's received. He'll drug test today, but we are asking this court to please allow him to show you for the next few months that he's very serious, and he's also spent 20 days in jail.
Okay.
as a result.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Joshua Days.
All right, what's your position at Spectrum?
I'm an inbound call center agent.
All right, are you the person when you call and you're on hold for a long time?
No, I'm the person who I handle all the people who were on hold.
Oh, okay.
So I get the back end of it. People are angry at me a lot, but I'm doing good at bringing them
All right,
back.
so why have you not been doing well on probation? What is your issue? Do you want to go to the state jail facility for 2 years?
No, man.
All right, so,
I've changed a lot over the course of the
since I've been on probation, since the motion to revoke has begun. And I've completely changed. And I remember I was here last time when it was Thursday, and you were saying like, why do people change after the fact and stuff like that? And I hear you, but I've made a considerable change as far as my personality and things that I do, my habits, etc. I'm just a completely different person now, and I realized that I was becoming a product of a system due to my old decisions. And considering that I'm a new person now, I don't want to be a product of that anymore.
All right. And how did you enjoy the Bear County Jail?
I hated it.
All right. So I do see probation. I'm reading the court summary. So he's telling me he's completed his GED.
Or a high school diploma.
High school diploma. So that's been completed. And he's informed me that he did do his 90 sober meetings in 90 days.
Yes.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Well, nothing short of being very, very rich, honestly. I don't mean to say it like that, but I have big dreams. I have very high ambitions, and I have the resources and the drive to accomplish 100%.
Well, I always tell people being very, very rich. Oh yeah. My thing is
what I can
people
do with
should,
it.
yeah, but
Yeah.
it's people should want to be able to support themselves. I'm always shocked when people don't say, hey, you know what? I just want to be happy.
But yeah, I have big plans for like things that I want to do and stuff like that. I'm also working in the process of like starting a nonprofit for foster kids and stuff like that, because I was a foster kid as well myself. And so I have I could go on and on about my dreams, honestly. I have big dreams. So
No, there was always a big issue with the foster care system.
I agree.
Where children would age out of the system, and then it's good luck to you.
Mhm.
And there's a program that I used to be involved in. I used to be on their board. It's called Youth Transitioning into Adulthood. And so it was designed to help foster children. Because at the end of the day, I think all of us who went to college, when we went to college and you're short on money, you would pick up the phone, call your mom or somebody to send you money. But when you think about it, if you're a foster child, who are you going to call? So I'm glad you're looking into doing that to make the system better for foster children. I really wish they would take advantage of the fact that they can go to college for free.
Yeah. I didn't.
And
take
you didn't take
of it.
advantage.
No.
Look at this.
I know.
You had an opportunity
But I'm
to have
actually
college
I'm
for
actually
free.
glad that I didn't. I needed to go through everything that I had to go through at the time that I
Mhm.
did, including this.
Mhm.
And this was the motion to revoke was actually one of the best things that ever happened to me, honestly. It made, like I said, it made me realize that I was becoming a product of my decisions from years ago, and I really was not that same person at all. So then I completely changed my behaviors. I read every day now, like self-development books. Like I'm very intelligent, like self-taught. Everything that I've built as far as the business stuff like that, it's completely self-taught. So I get my.
Well, if you're looking for join a nonprofit, one of the things you should see if maybe you can go to the legislature and change the law, because sometimes when you're immediately out of foster care, they did extend the time for you to apply and go to college. And all you have to do is take one course, and you
Wow.
take that one course and then it's available for you. But maybe you want to talk to the legislature about changing that, because sometimes when people are in foster care and they age out, they don't have necessarily the guidance to say, hey, just try college. And then if you don't like it, then you can do something else, but at least register for a class so it's available to you.
My goal with that is to cultivate a bunch of business owners who can, we can kind of like start like a little school to where we go to people who are gonna age out, and then we teach them new ways to like make money so that they have something to do when they get out.
Well, you should actually talk to the organization YTIA, Youth Transitioning into Adulthood, and let them know that you were in foster care, and let them know different issues you see, because they're always open to that. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right. So, Ms. Abrams, we're going to do a drug test today by 3 p.m. If it's negative, extend for 1 year. If it's positive, extend for 3 years. And there are to be regular random UAs if he's negative. If he's positive, as I said, extend for 3 years and have him come back here to look me in my face and tell me why he was positive.
This case expired in November of 2022.
Mhm.
So if we extend him for just that 1 year, that case would have been terminated 2023.
Yes,
So if negative, regular random rate thereafter would not be.
no, if he's, because it seems to me, and if this is not the party's intent, and if people don't, we can go off the record, if this is not the party's intent, let me know. It seems to me that when this motion to revoke was filed, I asked him to do certain things. He has done it. He's on probation. We're trying to rehabilitate people on probation. It seems to me that he's addressed the issues I wanted addressed. He's obtained his diploma. His phone won't stop going off. Maybe I should extend him 3 years for that. And, if he's negative, then
I just want to make
yeah,
sure.
no, I appreciate it. So, Ms. Abrams, how do you feel about the court? If he's negative, he'll be done. All right. If you're positive, you're not going to be done.
I hear you. I will definitely be negative. I haven't been using and I don't use.
All right, so you need to be drug tested. And Ms. Abrams, if you let them know he needs to be drug tested for alcohol as well, and that's by 3 p.m.
Sounds good.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good seeing you.